Great, thanks. Where were we? Oh, yes. Happenings has been going for just over a year. We're only a small events company. Competition is fierce, and well, I've learned that attracting clients can be tough, like the one I was just speaking to. David would agree. With 20 years' experience in PR and communications, he knows this business well. We're still to see a net profit, despite having very few employees, like Sonia, who handles the day-to-day management of the different projects. And Otto, he's our logistics guy. If we have problems, he finds solutions.
Any news on the contract?
Well, we're being considered. We really need them, David. The money situation is not great at the moment.
I'm fully aware of that. What are the details?
All their global sales staff gather for a weekend event, which includes an afternoon of trying out the new Overlander quad bikes. The budget is decent.
What about Hebden Hall as a location? Remember, we have...
Special agreement with them, yes. Meaning we could make a tidy profit.
That would be nice. But let's not assume Overlander will go for it. In the end, they'll want to choose.
That's the trick, isn't it? We make them think they're choosing, but we're in control.
Well, let's tread lightly here. We don't want to frighten them off.